Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make good tuna fish, the only way. First, select premium canned tuna packed in olive oil for superior flavor and texture. Drain it well, but don't squeeze out all the oil. A little richness is good. Next, measure out about 1/4 cup of your favorite mayonnaise per can of tuna. Finally, finely dice 1 stalk of crisp celery to add that essential crunch and fresh taste. This combination forms the perfect base. Now let's get mixing. Gently flake the drained tuna into a medium bowl using a fork, careful not to mash it completely. You want some texture. Add the mayonnaise and diced celery, then mix everything until just combined. Overmixing can make it pasty. Finish by seasoning with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance all the flavors. Taste and adjust if needed. To truly elevate your tuna fish, consider a few optional additions. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard can introduce a wonderful tanginess, cutting through the richness. For a fresh, herbaceous touch, stir in about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh dill. These small additions make a big difference. Once perfected, serve your delicious tuna on lightly toasted sourdough bread, or for a lighter option, use crisp lettuce cups. Enjoy it immediately for the best experience. Proper storage ensures your delicious tuna fish remains fresh. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate promptly. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 days. Beyond that, the quality starts to diminish, so it's best enjoyed within that time frame. Remember to always keep it chilled. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.